Hello my dear pupils, we'll study now together Unit 3, Area of Circle. We define to the circle in Primary 5, and also we define how can we find the circumference of the circle also in Primary 5. But in this year we'll learn how to find the area of the circle. Let's see this warm up before we start. I want you to simplify this. 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 2 equals what? What the meaning of 8 to the power 2? 8 to the power 2 means 8 times 8 as we learned in power lesson. So 8 to the power 2 equals 64. Okay, let's see the next. 12 to the power 2. 12 to the power 2 or 12 square equals 144 because 12 to the power 2 means 12 times 12. So also 6.2 to the power of 2 means 6.2 times 6.2. Then the result will be 38.44. Number 4, 7.5 square means 7.5 times 7.5. The result will be 56.25. So now, in this warm-up, I want you to learn the meaning of power 2. To remember the meaning of power 2. Power 2 means we multiply the number by itself 2 times. Okay, let's now define how can we find the area of a circle. The area of a circle is the shaded part inside the circle. That's the area of the circle. So I want you to do this activity with me. We'll do it also in our class, and I want you to do it at home also. So please bring a circle, and I want you to cut this circle into 12 parts, 12 equal parts as you see in the drawing. Okay, by lines you can draw the lines to divide the circle into 12 equal parts, and then cut them with scissors and put them in the rectangle shape as you see here. So again, we draw lines in our circle and we divide our circle into 12 equal parts. And then we put these parts in this, we cut them by the scissors and we stick them by this shape. The shape we have here is what? The shape we have is a rectangle or a parallelogram. So the area of parallelogram equals what? The area of parallelogram, as we learned it before, area of parallelogram equals base times the height. Okay, what's the base we have here? The base we have here is half the circumference of circle. As you see here, it's half the circumference of the circle. So the base equals half circumference times, and the height, as you see, what's the height here? The height here is r. So the height equals r. Again, when we cut the area, the circle, and we paste it, we get this shape. This shape is a parallelogram. We want to find the area of circle. The area of circle is the same as the area of this parallelogram. So the area of circle or the area of parallelogram equals half times equals base times height. So the base equals half circumference times r. As we learned it before in primary 5, the circumference of circle equals pi r, 2 pi r. So the circumference equals 2 pi r. And we have r here. So the area of the circle equals half is excluded with 2. So we have pi r times r equals r square. So area of circle equals pi r square. So the rule we have here is area of circle equals pi r square. Let's see that proof again. Okay, the area of a circle equals the area of parallelogram that we draw. The area of parallelogram equals base times height. So the area of the circle equals half the circumference, which is the base. The base is half the circumference. And the circumference equals 2 pi r. So we substitute the circumference here by 2 pi r. And then we simplify 2 with half. Then we get pi r, that equals pi r square. Okay, I want you just to know the rule. I want you know just to understand and keep that area equals pi r square. That's our rule. I need you only to keep this rule. Okay, let's see this example. But before we see the example, we see the rule again. Area of circle equal pi r square, and r here is the radius of the circle. Let's see this example. Find the area of a circle. Okay, as we see here, the radius of a circle equals 7. So to get the area of a circle, we have to write the rule first. Area of circle equals pi r square. Pi is a constant value equals 3.14, and radius equals 7, so we make 7 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2 means 7 by 7, not 7 by 2. Okay, so area equals 3.14 times 49. The dot here means the times, okay? Then we get 153.86. And we want to approximate the result to the nearest tenth. So where is the tenth here? The tenth here is 8, and it will be 9. Because 6 is strong, it will give it 1. So the answer is 153.9. Let's see another example. Find the area of a circle. As we see from the drawing, we have the radius of a circle equals 10. So before we start solving any problem, we have to write our rule. Area of a circle equals pi r square. Pi is a constant value equals 3.14. And r equals 10. So we have 10 square. So area equals 3.14 times 100. Then we get 3.14. Okay, and this result is already approximated to the nearest tenth. Okay, let's see here. We don't want the area of the whole circle. We just want the area of half of the circle, or semicircle. Half of the circle is the same as semicircle. So what we do? We have here the radius. The measurement of the radius of the circle is 1.5. As you see here, the radius is 1.5. So we will find the area of the whole circle. So to find the area of a whole circle, we write the proof. Area equals pi r square. So area equals pi is a constant value equals 3.14. And r equals 1.5. So we make r 1.5 square. And then we multiply 3.14 times 2.25. Then we get 7.07. 7.07 is the area of the whole circle. But we want to find the area of semicircle, or half the circle. To find the area of the semicircle, we multiply 7.07 by half, or we divide it by 2. Okay, then we get 3.535. So to get the area of half of the circle, we can make that 7.07 times half, or we make 7.07 divided by 2. They are both the same. Then we get the area of the semicircle. Now, in this example, we want to find the area of the 3/4 of the circle. The shaded area, as you see from the drawing, equals the 3/4 of the circle. So, what we do to find the area of 3/4 of the circle? Yes, we first find the area of the whole circle. The area of the whole circle, area equals pi r square. What's pi? Pi is a constant value equals 3.14. And what's r here? As we see from the drawing, r equals 2.14, 2.4. So 3.14 times r square, which is 2.4 square, then we get 18.09. That's the area of the whole circle. To find the area of 3/4 of the circle, we multiply that number, which is 18.086 times 3/4. So we multiply this number by 3/4, then we get the result of 3/4 of the area of a circle. Okay. Now I have two worksheets, and I will upload these two worksheets on the Google Classroom. These worksheets actually is a maze. So you will solve it. I will show you the worksheets now. Okay, I will upload them on the Google Classroom. And also we have a website. We can play on it on the area of the circle. And also I will upload this website on the Google Classroom. At the end, I will show you now a video that talks about the area of a circle. I will show you a song about the area of a circle, and I want you to hear to this song. I think this song is very interesting. So I want you to see this song with me. Let's see it.
Here is a circle, it knows how to get around. It has a radius from center to rim, and its diameter's a line that goes from side to side while passing through the center. Now isn't that simple? Pi r squared sounds like area to me. When I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d. Pi r squared sounds like area to me. When I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d. Here is a circle, it knows how to get around. It has a radius from center to rim, and its diameter's a line that goes from side to side while passing through the center. Now isn't that simple? Pi r squared sounds like area to me. When I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d. Pi r squared sounds like area to me. When I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d.